How to make someone on Messenger as group admin. So if you want to make someone on Messenger as group admin, then first you need to open up your Messenger application and go with a group. Once you're under the group, now you just need to simply go with the upper right or the upper side, which has members option. Go with members, and under members here you will have all and admins. Here you will have the admin, right? So you can simply go with add, which is on the upper right. Tap on add, and then you need to simply choose a person. Once you've chosen, go with add again, which is on the upper right, and then tap on add. Now once you've added that person, you just need to simply go with the profile of that person. Once you go with profile, now here you will have an option of invite as admin. So tap on invite as admin and tap on add, and now you've invited that person. Now if the other person accepts your request, then they will be admins. So that's how you can make someone on Messenger as a group admin. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.